Okay, so I had that diagram here, but it is gone now. Yeah, so this was one, this was one. The light was coming like
So your voice is really
Yeah,
low.
I can barely hear
voice is
you.
really low.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Abhi, now is it fine?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So okay, so this light ray is coming like this, okay, and then instead of going straight like this, okay, it bends like this, okay, and again it bends like this. So this is the actual path. So we named some rays 1, 2, 3, okay, and this was point A. Suppose this is point B. This is air, and this is glass. So first thing is glass is optically denser than air. Glass is. I hope everyone of you is writing denser than air. The next point is the light ray. The light ray is called incident ray. This light is called incident ray. Incident ray. The phenomena of bending of light is called refraction. So this is called point of refraction. Okay. Okay. Bending of light is refraction. Here the light has bent because incident ray is this, and then this is the final ray at this point. So light has bent at this point. Okay. Now this is at, so this is A is total, this ray which is one coming one, the one ray number 1 is bent at how many points?
2 points.
So this is again here at 2 points at A and B, right? So
Yeah.
यहाँ पे लिखेंगे light refracts at 2 points, okay, A and B. All of you understood this? Diya?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So light refracts at 2 points, and which 2 points?
A and B.
Okay, what happens at A?
That's the point of refraction.
What happens? Why we say that at A refraction happens? Why do we say that
It goes through glass ray.
No, why do we say that at A refraction happens? Anyone else?
So the speed
Because
of light
it's going
changes
from
because
it bends, or speed of light change. Yeah. So first you said it bends or medium changes, right?
yeah.
Medium
But
changes.
why not bend towards the other side?
वो मैं सब बताऊंगा. अभी मैं सिर्फ ना बता रहा हूँ कि इसमें
Because the speed of
Terms.
light in glass will be
टर्म्स सारे बता रहा हूँ
less
पहले.
than the
ठीक
one
है?
in air. So
मैं भी बताऊंगा इसका रीजन क्या होता है. ओके. अच्छा. Okay. This angle is called angle of deviation. Okay. Delta 1. Delta 1 is called angle of deviation. Diya, turn your
Yes,
mic back
sir.
on. Yeah. So why is it called angle of deviation, Diya? Why do you think it should be called?
Because it's bending.
Yeah, it is bending. Okay. Now you should also remember that clockwise angles are, anti-clockwise angles are positive and clockwise angles are negative. Okay. So what is the
positive and negative?
Yeah, what is the delta 1 here? It is positive or negative?
But what do you mean positive and negative? Like in what aspect?
When you measure angles in anti-clockwise sense, they are said to be called positive. If you measure angles in clockwise sense, they say to be anti-clockwise. Negative. In this case, at A, the angle of deviation is measured in clockwise or anti-clockwise sense?
Clockwise. So it's positive.
No, delta 1 is negative.
Oh, anti-clockwise is positive.
Okay. at B, at A, what is happening? Light is going from air to glass. Okay, all of you understood this?
Yes, sir.
So wait,
Okay.
why is it anti-clockwise or what?
Pardon?
Yeah, sir. Why is it anti-clockwise? Anti-clockwise.
Acha, why is this anti-clockwise sign associated with this, or are you asking why is this anti-clockwise?
Why
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 is
is
it
this
anti-clockwise?
sign?
देखो
Why
बेटा,
is the sign
देखो
associated?
तुम स्टार्टिंग में ऐसे जा रहे थे, वेक्टर सॉरी वेक्टर क्यों बोल रहा हूँ? See, your initial vector was like this, but now your vector is like this.
Yeah.
So you have turned. In what direction you have turned? In what sense you have turned? Clockwise or
Okay,
anti-clockwise?
it's
Clockwise,
anti-clockwise
right?
then.
Clockwise. So therefore, this turning is clockwise, and therefore negative angle. Okay. And similarly, see here at this point at B, light goes from glass to air, right? Glass to air. So, okay, the incident light in this case is the ray number 3, okay? And the refracted ray is 4, okay? Okay. सबको इतना समझ में आया? अभी there are more terms. There are some terms. See, so all of you understood this much?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the next thing is that this surface, I'll make this again. This surface, okay? It is called the interface or boundary of the two mediums, as it is very obvious, right? This blue surface, which I darkened, is called interface or boundary. Okay, what it's called?
Boundary.
Interface or boundary of the two surface. Now, a line which is perpendicular to the interface and passing through the point of incidence, A, point of refraction, is called, this line is called normal. Yes. So okay, so see, this is here in this case A is point of refraction, but in general we also call it point of incidence, right? Because the incident ray is coming and hitting it here, right? In this, अगर reflection होता है, if reflection happens, then A से ऐसे चला जाता है ना? So then it is called point of reflection. But in general, A is point of incidence. Incidence तो हो रहा है. After that, either the glass is reflecting or it is refracting. That is a secondary thing. So that is also called point is called point of incidence.
Wait, what does incidence mean, like actually?
Point incidence मतलब कि अगर बॉलर ने बॉल फेंकी तो बॉल जहाँ टिप्पा खाती है उसको बोलते हैं इंसिडेंस पॉइंट.
Okay.
ठीक है?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is point of incidence, or when you're talking of glass slab as a whole object, then this point is called point of emergence, क्योंकि यहाँ से light निकल रही है. Okay. Emergence मतलब निकलना किस चीज का. Okay. So this is point of emergence. Okay. After this, okay. The next thing is what happens. अब देखते हैं क्या क्या होता है जब light bend होती है तो क्या क्या होता है वो देखते हैं. ठीक है? When light bends, no, we'll study only one surface for now. We'll study only one surface. Okay, and this is a refracted light which is going like this. So see, okay, Rudhir, what is this line called? Rudhir,
Yes, sir.
what is this line called जो अभी latest बनाई?
Sir, it's the middle one, no?
हाँ, this one. ध्यान दो बेटा, ऐसे तो नहीं चलेगा.
Normal, right?
इसको क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? रुधिर, इसको क्या बोलते हैं?
इंसिडेंस
हाँ इंसिडेंस रे, इसको बोलते हैं नॉर्मल। अभी भी
Yes.
बताया था ना, ध्यान दो क्लास में, ठीक है।
नॉर्मल भूल गया।
हाँ ये इंसिडेंस रे, ये वाली रे को बोलते हैं रिफ्रैक्टेड रे। क्या बोलते हैं?
रिफ्रैक्टेड
रिफ्रैक्टेड रे। ओके। और जो ये वाली रे जो ये जा रही थी, इसको क्या बोलेंगे? इसका नाम बोलो अपने आप, लॉजिकली बोलो, एक नाम दो अच्छा सा। इसे क्या बोलेंगे इसको, जो ये जा रही थी पर ये गई नहीं वैसी?
इट वुड बी रिफ्लेक्टेड रे नो।
नहीं रिफ्लेक्टेड तो ऐसी होती है ना, रिफ्लेक्टेड तो ऐसी होती है ना यहाँ पे। इसका नाम है, बड़ा ऑब्वियस नाम है, अनडिवेटेड रे, है ना? अनडिवेटेड रे
मींस नॉट क्लियर।
अनडिवेटेड मतलब जो मुड़ी नहीं, मतलब
Basically non-refracted.
हाँ नॉन रिफ्रैक्टेड रे। योर
What spelling again? अच्छा अनडिवेटेड।
अनडिवेटेड रे। ओके ओके। अभी देखो, दिस वाज एंगल ऑफ
Sir, the line where both the mediums meet, what's that called again?
that is interface.
Okay.
Actually it is a line or a 2D surface. Interface is a line or a 2D surface?
Okay.
I'm asking you.
Oh,
Hmm.
it is a 2D surface.
Yeah, it is a 2D surface. Very good. Normal is a line or a plane?
It's a line.
It's a line. Incidence ray?
It's also a line.
Okay. Now see, this angle of incidence ray with the normal is called I, angle of incidence. Okay. Angle of incidence. Everyone. And the angle of refracted ray with the normal is called angle of refraction. This angle is called angle of refraction. All of you have written this?
Yes, sir.
Now you tell me, can you tell me something about these three angles, I, R and delta 1? How are they connected?
The angle of deviation plus the angle of refraction is equal to angle of incidence.
Why?
Because they are vertically opposite angles.
Yes, very good. दिख रहा है ना ये सबको? Everyone
Yes,
gets
sir.
this? If you don't, ask me. Okay, so delta 1 is I minus R. Okay. Okay. And it's a negative sign because we saw that it is clockwise. So this is the answer. Delta 1 is minus of I minus R. Okay. Okay, now let's come to the questions. Why does it bend and what is the relation? So why does it bend?
So what is the sign of the refracted ray?
वो भी बता रहा हूँ.
The angle.
Sign of the refracted ray?
No, the angle. The angle.
Are you saying SIGN or SIN?
SIGN, it's plus or minus the angle of the refracted.
You are asking a wrong question. The what? फिर से पूछ रहा हूँ. Angle of the refracted ray.
Yeah,
Refracted ray is a ray.
positive or negative?
Once again, refracted ray is a ray. You are asking me angle of a ray.
So she's asking the angle in between the normal and the reflected ray.
Refracted ray. So are you asking me the angle?
That's
of,
odd, right?
Are you, one second?
Yeah, that's all.
Are you asking me this angle's direction?
Yeah.
Sign, right?
Yeah.
And therefore you might be doubtful about this angle's side that thing. But see, it is not important because there is no turning effect, right? I mean, if you want to say what is the angle between normal and refracted ray, you always say the normal 7th grade में जैसे पढ़ा है कि angle between them is 30 degree. That's it. उसमें sign नहीं. Sign है angle of deviation, because angle of deviation tells you whether the ray turned and in which direction it turned. Okay. See, तुम अगर देखो, sorry, क्या करूँ? Clear कर देता हूँ इसको. नहीं हो रहा है ये. हाँ. अच्छा चलो, सपोज तुम्हारे पास एक कार्टेशियन कोऑर्डिनेट है, ओके, यू हैव अ कार्टेशियन कोऑर्डिनेट लाइक दिस एंड या ओके, एंड आई आस्क यू कि ये एंगल यहाँ से 30 डिग्री है और ये एंगल यहाँ से टोटल 60 डिग्री है, व्हाट इज एंगल बिटवीन देम, तो क्या बोलोगे आंसर?
30.
30. अच्छा, तो इसमें तुमने ये तो नहीं सोचा ना कि विच वाज ग्रेटर विच वाज बिगर, तुमने तो बस 60 - 30 की और मैग्नीट्यूड बता दिया ना।
Yeah.
जब एंगल बिटवीन बोलते हैं ना, बिटवीन, जैसे कि सपोज मैंने तुमसे बोलूं कि व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन 2 and 8, तो तुम मुझे आंसर 6 बोलोगे ना।
Yeah.
इफ आई आस्क यू द डिफरेंस बिटवीन 8 and 2, तब भी आंसर 6 बोलोगे,
Yeah.
क्योंकि जब बिटवीन टर्म लगता है तब फर्क नहीं पड़ता कौन सा बड़ा कौन सा छोटा है, बस डायरेक्टली सबट्रैक्ट करके बता देते हैं। ठीक है, ठीक है।
Yeah.
So when you talk of angle between two things, it doesn't matter कौन सा बड़ा है कौन सा छोटा है, बस एंगल करके बता दिया। तो सेम वे यहाँ पे जो R एंगल है, that is angle of refraction. Angle of refraction का definition है, it is angle between refracted ray and normal.
Yeah.
Angle between refracted ray and normal, okay? अब जो
Yeah.
between है तो इसमें साइन नहीं देखना है। I का भी क्या है, क्या बोलो, कंप्लीट करो इसको।
The angle between the normal and the incident ray.
Incident ray and normal, okay? So इन दोनों का साइन नहीं होता है, ठीक है,
Okay.
सिर्फ मैग्नीट्यूड होता है, ठीक है।
Okay.
While delta का definition ये है कि what is the turning of angle, right? Amount,
Because delta can change.
या delta के लिए साइन चाहिए, amount of turning of angle,
Okay.
turning of ray, right? या फिर angular turning of ray, ये बोलना चाहिए ना,
Yeah.
angular turning of ray, ठीक है, okay, and it can be positive as well as negative. या उर्वशी,
Sir, why is delta 1 minus I minus R? It'll just
see,
be I minus R, no?
magnitude wise delta 1 is I minus R, I agree with you, but when you're reporting the value of delta 1, you should report it as negative because this is a
Because of the clockwise thing,
clockwise
right?
sense. So suppose ऐसा ना, इसका वैल्यू 60 है और इसका वैल्यू 15 है, ठीक है, R का वैल्यू, suppose I is 60, R is 15, तो डेल्टा का वैल्यू आएगा 45, तुम बोलोगे डेल्टा 1 is -45.
Okay.
ओके, इतना समझ में आ गया। अभी थोड़े टफ क्वेश्चंस, लेट्स आंसर टफ क्वेश्चंस कि सर ये बेंड क्यों होता है, बेंड तो इस तरफ क्यों होता है, उस तरफ क्यों नहीं होता है। ओके, तो इसको समझते हैं क्यों इस तरफ बेंड होता है। तो बेंड बेसिकली ये होता है, बेंड इसलिए होता है क्योंकि एक फॉर्मेट्स प्रिंसिपल है, फॉर्मेट्स प्रिंसिपल
Of least time.
हाँ, ऑफ लीस्ट टाइम। तो वो ये बोलता है कि अगर आपको इधर से लाइट को इधर से इधर जाना है, बी पे, ए से बी पे जाना है, तो लाइट वाला पाथ लेती है जो सबसे कम टाइम लेता है, ठीक है। लेट्स टेक द लीस्ट टाइम पाथ।
But it's not obvious that will be the straight line.
Yeah, it is not obvious.
Because it's not shortest, it's quickest.
Yeah, it is quickest. It is quickest. Very important. Quickest, not necessarily shortest. Okay. In most of the cases, quickest path is the shortest path, but not in every case. Okay. So all of you have written this. इसको मैं explain करता हूँ कैसे ये apply होता है यहाँ पे.
So you can use the land and the sea example.
Yeah.
Land, sea, what?
अरे वही वाला अपना पुराना एग्जाम्पल, भाई बहन को लेके आते हैं बीच में। So suppose this is a beach, okay, BEACH वाला, okay, and you are a lifeguard, and okay, and some class topper is drowning here. Urvashi is drowning. Okay, drowning.
Wait, why do I know this?
Yeah, Urvashi is drowning. Urvashi, do you know how to swim? I'm sure you
Yeah,
don't know.
no, sir.
अरे यार, और किसको नहीं आता है? किसको नहीं आता है?
So do you know?
I know, man. Sanya doesn't know. Sanya looks like she.
No, I used to swim
Yeah.
damn nicely.
Yeah.
I used to go classes and all.
Pardon?
I think Medha
Once.
doesn't know.
Ah,
Yes,
Medha
sir.
doesn't know. Yes.
Water.
She looks like she won't know. Okay. Person who is painting can't swim. Okay. So
To the hair.
yeah, ठीक है, नहीं, that is like cry for help. तो फिर इसमें ना लाइफ गार्ड को ऐसे जाना है,
Oh.
तो which, so she has to reach in least time, right? So you
Yeah.
will discover that this is not the least time path. Actually, this kind
Yeah,
of
because
some
it's
path.
faster in the sand.
Yes, he's faster in the sand.
So are we gonna calculate all of the values again?
No. This is
Okay, good.
exams.
It took us way
just
long.
know
Because we
that.
did that
It's common
last
sense.
time.
So exams are near. Sorry. ठीक है. So out of the many, so you write out of the many paths possible. Oh, sorry. Out of the many paths possible, one path, two path, three path, four path. Okay. Out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 is the shortest. Okay. 3 is the shortest. Okay. How do we know 3
Not the shortest.
It's the quickest.
I'm sorry, very
It's
good.
not-
It's quickest.
Not
Sorry, it is
shortest.
quickest. It is quickest. 2 is shortest, right?
Yeah.
But we don't need it. We don't need it because I don't need shortest path. I need quickest path. Okay. Okay. The next thing is which point is mathematically which point is 3. Okay. How do we determine? So you write the mathematically which point is C is this point. Have you written this
This
much?
point is what?
Which point is 3 mathematically? मतलब ये कैसे define होगा कि 3 कौन सा है? मतलब ये
What?
point कहाँ पर है? अरे यार, मतलब मैंने तो ऐसे randomly बना दिया ना 4, 3, 1. तो actually कहाँ से
You're
बनेगा?
asking us where the angle of
Oh
incidence of
no.
हाँ,
Are we
हाँ.
going
Point.
to find all that now?
या वो डिफाइन करेंगे ना कि क्या क्या होता है, मतलब नहीं मैं सीधे उनको स्नेल्स लॉ बताऊंगा, ठीक है?
Okay. Oh yeah.
स्नेल्स लॉ क्या बोलता है कि हाँ, दैट पॉइंट इज सच दैट, वो लाइन ऐसा होगा सच दैट द रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ मीडियम, दिस इज मीडियम 1, this is medium 2. So n is called refractive index. Okay, n is refractive index. I didn't tell you about it. Refractive index. Okay, refractive index. The refractive.
What is that?
So
refractive
where
index,
is the N?
I have not told you before this today,
Oh
but I have told you what is refractive. I think refractive index I have told you or not.
no.
Acha, I have told you something about optical density.
Yeah.
I have told you that there is a medium of, there is a denser medium, there is a rarer medium.
You just said
Yeah.
that since it's difficult to pass through
Yes.
glass slab because it's optically denser.
Yes. So that difficulty is measured in terms of refractive index. Okay.
So the refractive index of the glass slab will be higher.
Yeah.
Or okay.
More the n, difficult it is. Difficult it is for what? For
For the light to travel.
light to pass. And implies slower light. Slower light. Okay, this is the most important statement you have to.
So will it only slow down or also bend?
Both. See, at the refraction point, it bends. देखो इधर देखो,
Okay.
इधर देखो, जो लाइट आ रही है ना,
So but refraction can't happen in wood and all, right?
नो लाइट पास ही नहीं करती उससे, तो रिफ्रैक्शन होगा ही नहीं.
Yeah.
देखो सुनो, जहां जहां पे ग्रीन है, जहां पे ग्रीन है वहां रिफ्रैक्शन नहीं हो रहा है, ठीक है? जहां पे ऑरेंज है वहां भी रिफ्रैक्शन नहीं हो रहा है, ठीक है? रिफ्रैक्शन कहां होता है? रिफ्रैक्शन बस एक पॉइंट पे होता है. रिफ्रैक्शन हैपेंस एट अ पॉइंट. ओके, तो ये लिख लो, ये दोनों से स्टेटमेंट लिख लो. ये अपना कलर कर लो या जो भी करना है कर लो, बट these are very important statement. लोगों को लगता है ग्लास में चला गया तो ग्लास में रिफ्रैक्शन होता ही रहेगा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, ग्लास में स्ट्रेट जा रहा है ना. Okay, so write these two things, that in the green region as well as the orange region refraction is not taking place.
So wait for 1 minute.
But isn't that the refracted ray?
That is the refracted ray, but that doesn't mean ray is getting refracted at all these orange points.
Okay. So it only happens at the pink point.
Oh, if it did, then it'd be a circle, no?
Oh, if I kick you right now, then after I have kicked you, you're not getting kicked. You were just got kicked at one point of time, right?
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Tejas, why were you prank calling me yesterday?
Sir, I was calling someone else and your name accidentally got clicked. I was on the phone with someone else.
Sir, you know, in trigonometry, you gave us like that huge assignment to do. I
Yeah.
can't find it anymore. There's just like a bunch of videos.
Oh yeah, please, same.
I think you're mistaken.
I think I texted you. I'm not sure.
I think you're mistaken.
No, sir, it's not there. Just like a bunch of videos.
Okay, I'll check.
You went to learning material instead of assignment.
Yeah,
Click on assignment, you'll find it. I found it right now.
yeah. You won't.
Wait, let me check.
You can't go to learning material and expect to find practice material there.
No, but I checked both. The assignment, it's a link.
Yeah.
LS.com.
Yeah,
It's okay.
that's what.
Humans make mistakes sometimes.
That's the one
Oh,
that
I
you have to
thought-
click, the link
I thought
thingy.
that was a video. Oopsie, I thought it was a video.
So what's heights and distances?
The same thing. I mean, there was thoda sa usi mein
The next
application.
chapter, like after.
Oh yeah,
trigonometry.
application of trigonometry is called heights and distances.
Oh.
Some places, some cool people call it heights and distances. Okay.
Some wannabe cools call it heights and distances.
Yeah, wanna be cool who were actually cool.
That doesn't make sense.
Okay. So, okay, Snell's law. Okay. So see, Snell's law says N1 is the refractive index of medium 1 into sin I is equal to N2 sin R, where I is the incidence angle, R is the refracted angle. Okay. Okay.
Yes, so.
Now, I think I can answer Sanya's question. So see, एक बात बताओ Sanya, quickly.
Yeah.
Question answer session. In which medium is the lifeguard faster?
Sand.
Sand, right? And therefore, if you compare it to a glass air mixture, glass air interface, which is glass and which is air?
Air is sand, glass is water.
Yeah. So can you see that when Miss Light goes from air to glass, it bends like
Oh
this?
yeah, that's so cool.
Yeah, man. I am.
So,
Okay. Okay. So I think we should now practice. Okay. And what is n? What is n? N is the factor
Refractive index.
by which light slows down. Okay. Okay. For example, the light speed of light slows down as compared to vacuum. As compared to
so wait, can you tell the Snell's law again?
Snell's law is this: n1 sin i is n2 sin r. इसको अभी करेंगे और apply करेंगे इसको, ठीक है?
What is N1? What is N2?
N1 is the refractive index of medium 1. N2 is the refractive index of medium 2. Okay.
And sin is?
Sin trigonometry वाला sin.
Oh.
ठीक है? I is the angle of incidence, R is the angle of refraction. So suppose तो यहाँ पे लिख लो the refractive index n for glass is 3/2. Okay, that means 1.5. That means इसका क्या मतलब है? इसका मतलब है the factor रुधिर
Yes, sir.
इसको पढ़ोगे क्या लिखा है ये?
N is equal to the factor by which light slows down as compared to vacuum.
हाँ. So पूरा पढ़ते जाओ.
So it will be
So
N of glass is 3/2, 1.5. That means the factor. बोलो.
which means the factor of the glass
Slowing down light is 3/2, right?
yes.
So the speed, लिख लो, important, speed of light in glass is equal to vacuum के speed कितना है? Speed in vacuum कितना है?
3.8 into 10 raised to
C को लिखो, speed of light in vacuum is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second.
yeah.
लिख लो speed of light in vacuum. Medha, you were asking me something?
Yeah, the 3/2, it's speed of light in that medium divided by speed of light in vacuum, right? For getting the refractive index.
उल्टा बोल दिया.
Also, speed of light in vacuum divided by the speed of light in that medium.
Yeah, that
Wait,
is.
can you repeat it? What Medha said?
देखो इधर देखो. Speed of light in glass is C divided by refractive index of glass. Okay. If you didn't listen to what Medha said, just write this much. Speed of light in medium X is equal to C divided by N of X. Okay. N of X means
The refractive index of
Refractive
the
index of X.
and C means
speed of the
Of,
Speed of light.
speed of light in
in the other
vacuum.
medium.
Speed of light in vacuum.
Why
C
is
means
C
speed of light in vacuum.
related to vacuum?
It is called just symbol C. Speed of light in vacuum is called 3 into 10 is actually 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. It is given a name symbol C. Okay.
Okay.
Refraction. ये तो तुमने आज सुना होगा, इससे पहले आज तक नहीं सुना है क्या?
What?
मतलब यही चीज कि लाइट की स्पीड
speed
को
of
C.
light.
We had it last year also, but we didn't have it in detail.
No, I don't know. I don't know it. I know bits, like I knew the Fermat principle and all.
Okay. Okay. So, can light travel faster than vacuum in anything else?
No.
That means the refractive
No.
index of any medium N of X will be
Will be lesser than vacuum.
very good. Speed of light in medium X is C by Nx. So Nx is what? C by speed of light in medium, right? Speed in X. Now speed in X is always lesser than C, right?
Yeah.
So this Nx is क्या होगा? Denominator is always lesser than numerator. So Nx
Not
is,
always.
कब नहीं होता है? अच्छा ये fact है. I'm
When
telling you
it's-
for a fact that speed of light in any medium is lesser than the speed of light in vacuum. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So that nx will be always greater than 1. Okay. Greater than equal to 1.
Be a natural number.
No, it is not need not to be a natural number. It can be a fraction. It can be even half of root 3, 2 root 3 ये भी हो सकता है. Okay. Hello.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Okay. So all of you understood this? अभी चलो जल्दी से इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर बताओ. क्वेश्चन नहीं, बस फैक्ट बताओ. फैक्ट ये मैं तुमको बता रहा हूँ कि जब लाइट एयर से जाती है ग्लास में तो ये बताओ नॉर्मल ये है ना, ये नॉर्मल है. सो क्या बोलेंगे, बेंड्स टुवर्ड्स द नॉर्मल, बेंड्स अवे फ्रॉम द नॉर्मल?
Away.
Towards.
हाँ, तो लिखो when rarer to denser, then bends towards normal. Towards normal. Okay. Understood? Hello everyone. Everyone got it?
Yes,
sir.
And इसका उल्टा अपने आप लिख लेना, ठीक है? ओके, ये हो गया. उसके बाद एक चीज और लिखो, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. एट पॉइंट ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शन या फिर आफ्टर रिफ्रैक्शन, या ऐसे लिखो आफ्टर रिफ्रैक्शन speed changes, wavelength and speed change, wavelength comma speed change, frequency does not. Okay.
So can you tell what was wavelength again?
Wavelength मतलब होता है,
That's only in sound, right?
अरे लाइट भी एक वेव ही है. Light is also a wave.
It's particle.
No, it's a wave.
No, that is some. It can be both parts.
Oh, it's dual nature.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So wavelength and speed change and frequency doesn't, and you write this relation also, speed is equal to frequency into wavelength. Okay. So according to this logic, frequency does not changes, speed increases, wavelength increases, speed decreases, wavelength decreases. So now from air to glass, the speed is increasing or decreasing?
Decreasing.
Therefore wavelength will also decrease. Okay. The next thing the next thing is, you should know that there is a spectrum of light, and in that spectrum,
So this is dispersion, right?
dispersion. हाँ, dispersion में बता दूंगा. आज अभी इतना जानो कि वेव गियोर है, वेव गियोर. तो इसमें
Yeah, those are the colors.
Yeah, these are the colors, and wavelength lambda is wavelength is higher towards this side. Okay, so lambda red, wavelength का symbol lambda होता है, ठीक है बच्चों? Lambda red is greater than lambda violet. Okay, ये जान लो. Okay, cool. Everyone got it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, ये लिख लिया, जल्दी से लिख लो इसको.
So you know the assignment you gave for light, it has like human eye question also.
मत करो human eye questions.
Okay.
Human eye exam में नहीं आ रहा है ना वैसे?
Wait.
No.
ठीक है.
I did. Which assignment are you? I did another assignment. It had like only.
Is the
This
fourth
is
part of the
Which
test
assignment did we have to
itself.
do?
I did the second last one.
I didn't do
I
any
did the fourth
assignment.
one.
Yeah, the second last one.
Oh,
Yeah, second last one, right? Because that's the one that we did that day.
Okay. अभी देखो, अभी ना गूगल सब लोग गूगल क्लासरूम खोलो फटाफट। गूगल क्लासरूम खोलो फटाफट।
Yeah.
खोल दिया? सबने खोल दिया?
Yeah.
ओके।
What, physics or maths? Okay.
Nice question.
Okay, physics, fine, sorry. So you already gave Humanica notes and all.
Shh. Yeah, उसमें stream खोलो, stream.
What?
Stream.
Okay.
So one more quiz.
Yeah, bro, yeah.
Wait, which assignment do we have to do?
You, so why?
Stream, open stream.
It's in the stream.
I know.
Oh, we already have one assignment to submit. We have to.
Oh, 1 second. आया क्यों नहीं?
So I can't see any
Sir, I can see
on
the link.
stream.
It's the link you got before.
रुको.
I can see what you posted on 24th June. That's not.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
same.
That's a problem. It's a problem. It's a problem. So what should I do? Yeah, I should do.
So you
Oh,
can
I
make
found
new
it.
link.
Quick test refraction. It says
Where
Where?
are you seeing this?
it came as a notification. So I
Yeah, for
don't know.
me too, right now.
That came.
Okay, so refresh your browser.
Yes, sir. Yes, a new one is here.
Not
अबे
here.
मेरे में तो अभी भी नहीं आ रहा है.
Yeah, I got
Oh,
it.
you posted it on math. The math
man.
expert
No.
thing.
No, man.
No.
Yeah.
I'm
Yes.
not
For
that.
me, it came in math.
Yeah.
Sir, I got
for me too.
notification.
1 second, let me check.
So should I click the link? I
1
clicked
second.
it.
If you have
Yeah, it's in
to-
math. It's in math for me also.
Yeah, it's in math.
God, I'm such a
Can you just give
such
the
a
link?
Sir, you're
loser.
really, really smart.
Yeah, man. Like
Oh,
really,
yes,
really.
it's
Oh, and
Yeah,
you're so
I-
cool.
Yeah, man.
So it's at 8 o'clock.
No. अभी करो. मैं start कर
I
रहा हूँ.
joined.
Started
sir.
also. Oops.
Enter करो, enter. Yeah, someone enter. Sanya entered. Medha entered. So I think I accidentally put it in maths.
Sir, I can take it on the phone, right?
Yeah.
So why is Medha pizza?
The phone knows I like pizza. I mean, the website knows I like
Pie
pizza.
Z
Tejas is
square
a
K.
unicorn. Tejas is a
Oh,
unicorn.
my internet is very
Yours
slow.
is a
You
chappal.
need to upgrade.
Mine looks cool, whatever it is.
It looks like a ulta chappal.
I know that dude has one tooth in front or something. I don't know what it is.
Okay.
Dia is a rainbow.
So yeah, 5 जल्दी आओ बच्चों, जल्दी आओ.
Memes?
6 बच्चे आ गए. 6 बच्चे आ गए हैं.
Oh, I
और
like
अगर 8 करो तो 9
Oh,
बच्चे
not
होने चाहिए.
this, that's rude.
अनुष्का 9 बच्चे आने चाहिए यहाँ पे. अभी इसमें से कौन नहीं आया? उर्वशी आ गई है क्या? उर्वशी नहीं आई.
I'm here.
उर्वशी आ गई है. हाँ.
Yeah.
और कौन नहीं आया? अनुष्का, दिया नहीं आई है. दिया
Diya's also here.
So Aditi.
दिया इज आल्सो हियर. अदिति नहीं
But
है.
I'm here.
अदिति नहीं है. लेकिन अगर लोग 9 हैं, पार्टिसिपेंट 9 हैं, तो 8 बच्चे होने चाहिए. हाँ. और अभी कितने बच्चे हैं? 6-7 बच्चे हैं. तो कौन नहीं है अभी? अदिति नहीं है. अदिति को क्या दिक्कत है लाइफ में?
So internet trying.
Right.
But it's like giving me some, I don't know, enter your parent email ID. So I'm like sitting and scamming an email.
So can you do a quiz every day? I want to see how this
Why?
music sounds like. This.
This is how it sounds.
No, this
No,
day
this
1,
is
day
damn
2, all that.
stressful. This is damn stressful. Turn that off.
So can you start?
There are memes in this quiz.
Sir, Aditi is there. Okay. Oh my God, it's
Wait, what?
Oh shit. So what happened if we
How do I
pause it?
switch off my music?
I said enters these meetings.
Arey, memes.
अरे
Sir, I'm getting memes. That's so cool.
Oh yes, me too.
What's going on? I'm so confused.
So
why
this
am I
is so
not going to
cool.
the...
Shh.
Oh my god.
These are core learnings.
Sir, this is not... Where is my pencil?
How do I turn off my music?
Monday, Friday.
Sir, I don't know where my pencil is.
Not my concern. Monday, Friday.
Oops.
Maths. Tuesday, Thursday, 6:30 p.m.
What, man? I'm fourth.
Saturday.
Wait, I forgot how to do math.
It's going too quick.
Yeah, that's why. Memes are taking more time.
Power up. Time
Nah,
freezer.
man. Fifth grade.
Oh, I like the power up things. So you didn't teach total internal reflection.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
I got a power up.
This is not a test, by the way. It is a game. I put it in game mode.
Yeah, that's why it looks so cool.
Hmm.
I
Last.
really like this power up thing, sir.
Are you doing wrong questions? I think a lot of people are doing wrong questions.
You haven't used immunity yet.
Oh, me?
No, it says that I activated my immunity. You're immune to
Don't
an
take your
incorrect
smarts for
answer.
granite. So how many questions are there this up?
Many.
Oops, I'm losing.
Oh no. Yes.
Looks like you peaked, and then there's a mountain.
So game mode is so much better than the test mode.
Yeah, I
I know.
swear.
Shh.
Is everyone done?
I'm done, sir.
Medha
No,
is-
no, it's giving me another question.
Oh, yeah,
Medha,
it gave me also.
Even me.
The redemption question.
Redemption.
So this is so cool. So we'll do this every day.
hmm.
So my connection was really bad, like the whole call.
All
Oops,
So
done.
do you have a recording?
got a wrong question.
Yeah, I
That's
recorded
bad.
today's class.
So can you put it on YouTube
Yeah,
or
yeah,
however
yeah,
you...
yeah.
So you
Okay, so
graded the test.
I didn't grade. Which grade? Which test?
This one only. It says I got 90.
अब वो तो
It
अपने
came
आप
on
आएगा ना.
Google Classroom.
हाँ वो तो आएगा. Yeah.
Wait, it went
So did
away.
you
How
send
can I see
another
that
one?
whole thing?
No, I didn't send another one.
You did.
No, no, no. That's a notification of your results.
Yeah. Oh.
This power up is nice.
Tejas Joshi. Joshi, you're first. What do you need?
Are we getting
What?
prizes, sir?
Yeah, this is first prize.
Oh, nice.
Oh,
Who got second? Who got third? Who got fourth? Who got fifth?
it's gone. I can't see the thing
Even I
anymore.
can't see.
Yeah, only I can, and I won't tell.
No, I was
Good.
Oh, I can.
Medha was second, I saw.
It was like that, I think.
No, I
Oops.
was third, and Sanya
Then
was
Sanya
third.
was second. No, Tejas was first. You were second, Sanya was third, I was fourth, I think.
Wait, how much did Medha get? How much did Medha get?
1 second.
90%.
Absolute. अभी भी मैंने क्लास में डिस्कस किया. Absolute refractive index of any medium is always. अभी लिखा मैंने nx greater than 1. देखो बच्चों यहाँ पे. Screen देखो screen.
Yeah, I
देखो,
didn't
screen.
have time, sir, so I just clicked anything.
Okay, nx greater than 1 यहाँ लिखा हुआ है ना बच्चों?
Oh, so
Same,
next
and
is
I
the
was
same.
barely able to hear anything the whole class.
Okay, okay,
So I'm still confused about everything.
okay.
Except to watch the recording.
Sir, can you tell who
क्या
came top 3?
बताया greater than
You're so
1?
pissing off. You're not telling
अरे
who
बोला
came
भी
top
दिख
3.
रहा है, मैंने बोला
I
देखो दिख रहा है, मैंने greater
can't
than 1.
see.
क्या बोल क्या
Sir, sir, who all came top 3?
ओ वो नहीं बताते हैं.
You
Sorry,
came
sorry.
top 3, Sanya.
Sunny is always obsessed with, I don't know what podium.
I was second place first. Now I'm too low.
The power-ups are too powerful.
Yeah,
Wait, it can change?
I was at second place, not bad.
अरे वो डायनेमिक
okay,
रैंकिंग
humans make
Check
mistakes.
with your rank.
डायनेमिक रैंकिंग होती है, ठीक है? तो उसमें ना ऐसे उस टाइम पहले तुम आगे हो सकते हो, फिर पीछे हो जाते हो, फिर ऐसे हो जाता है.
So what was
Yeah, it
final?
keeps
I couldn't see
changing.
final.
एक करके
Sana, it tells you your rank there. It says rank.
It
Yeah.
went
Also,
away because
mine
I
was
clicked on the
3.
damn notification.
बाद में देख लेना, नोटिफिकेशन रहेगा तुम्हारे गूगल क्लासरूम में, और अगर अभी नहीं दिख रहा तो जीमेल में तो पक्का रहेगा, ठीक है?
Gmail.
हाँ, start using Gmail. The formula to calculate the refractive index is NSCYV. किसने ये तो गलत किया है, सामने लिखा है. दो प्लेयर.
Sir, can you share your screen?
No, I
Sir,
can't.
I did this wrong two times, but I had a power-up, so I could just get it
Sir, you're
right.
so rude. Share your
Yeah,
screen.
man. Swimming pools and the ocean look shallower than they really are due to
Refraction.
refraction. Very good. Okay.
The
Or
screen
okay.
share.
Oh, so this one is wrong for everyone. If a pulse of red light and a pulse of blue
Oh
light
yeah, I
travel
didn't
in
understand
vacuum.
that one.
Oh,
Yeah, me neither.
Oh, but they're in vacuum. I didn't get time to read the
Yeah,
question. I just
same.
saw blue, red, they're different. I just wrote something different.
Sir, I wrote the difference in wavelength, and then
Yeah,
I got
because
that
that's what
immune
you
to an
told us
incorrect
at the
answer
end.
thing. That
No,
they
but
Yeah,
it's
didn't
still
say
in
that.
vacuum, right?
One second. देखो सुनो,
I
बड़ा
think
अच्छा
that's the
कॉन्सेप्ट है,
only
बड़ा अच्छा
question
कॉन्सेप्ट है ये.
I
सुनो
got wrong.
सुनो मेरी बात. जब लाइट वैक्यूम में ट्रैवल करती है तो लाइट की स्पीड, हम बोलते हैं लाइट की स्पीड वैक्यूम में कितनी है?
3 into
3
10
into
to the
10 to the
power
power 8.
अच्छा, लाइट में रेड भी और ब्लू भी है. लाइट इज कंपोज्ड ऑफ 7 कलर्स ना?
Yes.
Oh, so it'll be same.
सेम होगी ना. मैंने तो ये बोला नहीं कि रेड का पार्ट का इतना है 3 into 10 power 8 की ब्लू
Oops.
पार्ट का है ना?
Sir, but then speed still depends on the
हाँ, उस पे भी आ रहा हूँ,
wavelength, right?
उस पे भी आ रहा हूँ. स्पीड डिपेंड ऑन वेवलेंथ. देखो ऐसा है कि वैक्यूम में जब लाइट जा रही है तो लाइट अलग अलग नहीं होती है, और ना लाइट का सब पार्ट का कंपोनेंट, सातों पार्ट, जो कि 7 पार्ट कौन से हैं?
Violet, indigo, blue, green,
विबग्योर
yellow,
के
orange.
सबके स्पीड सेम है, ठीक है? स्पीड सबकी
Yeah.
सेम है, लेकिन सबकी फ्रीक्वेंसी और वेवलेंथ अलग अलग है.
That's not possible.
सुनो मेरी बात, फिर से सुनो. जब एक ही मीडियम में तुम लाइट ले रहे हो ना, समझ में आया क्या बोला मैंने? एक ही मीडियम में, ठीक है? जैसे
Yeah.
वैक्यूम में सारा लाइट है, ठीक है?
Yeah.
वैक्यूम में अगर लाइट ट्रैवल कर रही है एक बीम, तो स्पीड सबकी सेम है, ठीक है?
Sir, but then their wavelengths are different.
हाँ, their wavelengths are different and their frequencies are also different. ठीक है?
Yeah.
बात समझ में आई पहली ये बात?
Yeah.
ओके. अब ऐसे अज्यूम करो कि रेड लाइट जो है, वो रेड लाइट जा रही है, और रेड लाइट ग्लास स्लैब पे रिफ्रैक्ट होती है, ठीक है? रेड लाइट
Yeah.
ग्लास पे रिफ्रैक्ट होती है, तो क्या होगा कि रेड लाइट का एक स्पीड होगा. वैक्यूम में आ रही है थी वो, तो उसका स्पीड कितना है? वो वैक्यूम से आ रही है
10 to the power 8.
पर 8. तो उसका वैक्यूम में एक स्पीड है, वैक्यूम उसका एक फ्रीक्वेंसी है, उसका एक पर्टिकुलर वेवलेंथ है. अब जब वो ग्लास में जाएगी तो उसका तब क्या होगा? तब उसका फ्रीक्वेंसी चेंज नहीं होगा. अभी भी ठीक है, समझ में आया? जब वो ग्लास में जाएगी तो उसका फ्रीक्वेंसी चेंज नहीं होगा.
Wavelength changes and the speed changes.
हाँ, समझ में आ गया? तो अगर एक लाइट, फिर से सुन लो, अगर तुमने एक पैकेट ऑफ व्हाइट लाइट लिया है जैसे जा रही है वैक्यूम में, उसमें सब उसके कंपोनेंट्स का स्पीड सेम, ठीक है?
So, but wavelength changes, but the formula is speed into is equal to frequency into wavelength.
हाँ, तो वो देखो डिपेंड करता है ना कि क्या चीज कांस्टेंट है. जब वो वैक्यूम में जा रही है तो उसका स्पीड कांस्टेंट है, हर पार्ट का स्पीड कांस्टेंट. अच्छा हाँ, कांस्टेंट, इससे वर्ड से कंफ्यूज हो रहे हो तुम. कांस्टेंट मतलब होता है विद टाइम के साथ. फिर से सुनो, एक लाइट रे जा रही है, उसमें हर पार्ट का रेड, वायलेट, ग्रीन, ब्लू सबका स्पीड सेम है, ठीक है?
Yeah.
सबका फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ कोर्स अलग है, सबका वेवलेंथ ऑफ कोर्स अलग है, ठीक है?
Yeah.
अब जब वो लाइट रिफ्रैक्ट होती है तो उसका एक पर्टिकुलर रेड लाइट का वेवलेंथ चेंज हो जाता है जब वो रिफ्रैक्ट होती है. समझ में आया?
Okay. Oh,
Devi,
okay,
can you
like in the
repeat?
middle somewhere.
Can you repeat, sir?
जब एक लाइट रे बंडल ऑफ रेड लाइट जा रही है या बंडल ऑफ व्हाइट लाइट जा रही है, विच इज कंपोज्ड ऑफ 7 कलर्स इन वैक्यूम, तो सपोज वैक्यूम में जो रेड वाला पार्ट है उसका भी स्पीड 3 × 10⁸ मीटर पर सेकंड है और जो ब्लू वाला पार्ट है उसका भी स्पीड 3 × 10⁸ मीटर पर सेकंड है. ठीक है?
Yeah.
और क्योंकि स्पीड इज इक्वल टू फ्रीक्वेंसी इनटू वेवलेंथ, दो चीजें अलग अलग नहीं हो सकती, एक चीज अलग हो सकती है. सॉरी, एक चीज सेम हो सकती है और दो चीज अलग अलग होनी पड़ेंगी ना.
Yeah.
मतलब समझ में आया
Yeah.
ना? समझ में आया ना कि 3 में से 2 चीजें अलग होंगी और एक चीज सेम हो सकती है, दो अलग अलग 2 पैरामीटर्स में
So
ना.
in this case, it's speed.
हाँ, स्पीड सेम है. ठीक है, स्पीड सेम है, सेम फॉर 2 डिफरेंट थिंग्स.
Okay, okay.
जब वो रेड लाइट, मान लो उसमें से तुमने एक रेड लाइट उठाई, ठीक है, उसका एक
Yeah.
पर्टिकुलर फ्रीक्वेंसी और एक पर्टिकुलर वेवलेंथ है जो ग्रीन से अलग है ना,
Yeah.
लेकिन स्पीड सेम है ग्रीन से. कितना
Yeah.
कितना
Oh,
है?
so maybe it's like 2 and 2 and 4 and 1.
फिर से बोलना.
Like in one case, the frequency is 2 wavelengths.
हाँ, exactly, exactly. 2 2 और 4 1. हाँ.
Wavelengths
So
1.
in vacuum, the
Oh.
speed is constant, and when it's refracting, the frequency is constant.
तो एक लाइट का, एक पर्टिकुलर जो लाइट, रेड लाइट ना,
Yeah.
उसका फ्रीक्वेंसी तुम कभी चेंज नहीं कर सकते.
Still, but
Basic
how does
फंडा
the
यहाँ से
color affect the speed?
अरे रुको, उस पहले ये चीज सुनो कि अगर एक पर्टिकुलर तुम्हें रेड लाइट पकड़ ली, एक पर्टिकुलर कोई फ्रीक्वेंसी पकड़ ली, उस फ्रीक्वेंसी को भी तुम चेंज नहीं कर सकते, चाहे तुम रिफ्रैक्ट कर लो, चाहे रिफ्लेक्ट कर लो, चाहे जो भी कर लो. समझ में आया?
Okay.
तो इसका मतलब क्या है कि अगर रिफ्लेक्शन या रिफ्रैक्शन हो रहा है तो फ्रीक्वेंसी चेंज नहीं होगी, सिर्फ स्पीड और वेव, एंड देयरफॉर वेवलेंथ चेंज होता है. ठीक है?
Okay.
अच्छा, अब मान लो तुमने एक रेड लाइट पकड़ी, ठीक है, रेड लाइट पकड़ी और उसका रिफ्रैक्शन कर दिया ग्लास में, तो उसका फ्रीक्वेंसी चेंज होगा क्या?
No.
नहीं. क्या चेंज होगा उसका?
Wavelength.
वेवलेंथ होगा और स्पीड होगा. तो वेवलेंथ का दोनों चीज कम होगा कि बढ़ेगा?
One will increase, one will decrease.
बढ़ेगा. थप्पड़. ठीक से देख. स्पीड इज
No,
फ्रीक्वेंसी
both
इनटू
will
वेवलेंथ. बोथ विल डिक्रीज नो.
Oh, yeah.
बोथ विल डिक्रीज नो.
Yeah,
तो
yeah.
लिखा था है ना, बोथ विल डिक्रीज. अच्छा, जो लैम्डा मैंने बोला था कि लैम्डा रेड ज्यादा होता है, लैम्डा वायलेट थोड़ा कम होता है. तो कैसा हो सकता है कि रिफ्रैक्शन के बाद वही लाइट जो पहले रेड दिख रही थी वो वायलेट दिखने लगे?
Yeah.
ऐसा हो सकता है ना?
Yeah.
Yeah.
समझ में आ गया?
Oh,
ठीक
so
है.
maybe the swimming costume is actually blue and not green.
Which?
Like if someone's swimming
हाँ.
and like the costume, it
Inside
can,
the water,
it's
it looks.
actually, yeah, like the color which we can see from outside is different.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
if
and
that
actually you can
person
find
wearing,
out, you can actually see, you can search up on internet और सर्च करो वायलेट का वेवलेंथ कितना है और वायलेट और रेड का वेवलेंथ कितना है, और फिर चेक करो कि वायलेट.
700
but how
and
does the
400
color affect?
nanometers.
How does the color affect the wavelength or the speed? Because color is color, no? Like
नहीं
it's
नहीं, color
basically
The
is,
like,
wavelength decides the color.
yeah, wavelength decides the color.
oh,
है ना?
oh.
Wavelength decides the color. Same thing, you can see red, I can see something else. It's a philosophical question. वही कि what, छोड़ो उसको. ये बोल रहा हूँ कि जो वेवलेंथ लाइट आती है और उसको कैसे कैच करते हो तुम, उस पर डिपेंड करता है कि वो उसका कलर क्या दिखता है तुमको. ठीक है?
So is it possible that all of us see plants are green, but it can actually be blue?
All of
Yeah,
us what?
I think of.
अरे कलर इज अ प्योरली अ परसेप्शन. इट्स नॉट कि तुम दो रेड को एकदम, जैसे मैं एक रेड देख रहा हूँ, तुम भी उसको रेड देख रहे हो, लेकिन हम लोग उसको एक ऐसे वो नहीं बोल सकते ना कि दिस इज द, एक डिफाइन नहीं
not
कर सकते ना.
absolute.
दिस नॉट एब्सोल्यूट
Yeah.
नहीं है ना वो.
It's relative to our
Why?
eyes.
कॉमन परसेप्शन है कि देखो ये
Why?
बॉटल है तो हम सब इसको बॉटल बोलते हैं. वैसे ही अगर कॉमन परसेप्शन है कि दिस इज ब्लैक
Yeah.
तो दिस इज ब्लैक. ठीक है? बट एब्सोल्यूट कुछ नहीं है इसमें. मतलब दिस इज अ प्योरली पर सब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन कि ये ब्लैक है कि नहीं. ठीक है? सब ऑब्जेक्टिव
So that can be blue
ऑब्जेक्टिव
also.
रियल फैक्ट क्या है कि इसका वेवलेंथ कितना निकल रहा है. ये रियल फैक्ट है कि जो वेवलेंथ निकल रहा है वो हम नाप सकते हैं. और ह्यूमंस को,
So from wavelength only we get the color, no?
या, और जैसे मान लो मैं तुमको बता देता हूँ एक्चुअली क्या होता है कि इसका सपोज 600 नैनोमीटर निकल रहा है सपोज. ठीक है? और तो ह्यूमंस को क्या लगता है कि 590 to 610 जो भी है वो ब्लैक है. समझ में आया? थोड़ा थोड़ा चेंज
Oh,
करोगे वेवलेंथ, थोड़ा थोड़ा कलर चेंज होता रहता है। तो कलर इज टोटली सब्जेक्टिव। तुमको जो ब्लैक दिखता है
oh,
जरूरी नहीं
this
कि
is
मुझे
so
भी वही
cool.
ब्लैक दिखे, ठीक है ना?
Oh,
How do you
okay.
perceive a color light of 590 nanometer can be different from how I perceive a light of the same wavelength. ठीक है?
Okay,
हो
okay.
सकता है मुझे दिखाई ही नहीं दे, तो मैं रेड, तो फिर मैं कलर ब्लाइंड हो जाऊंगा towards that frequency, towards that wavelength.
So brightness of a
So
color
after this, can
changes
we
the
do
wavelength.
sources?
Pardon?
Does
After this, can we
brightness
do
of a
sources
color
of
change the
energy?
wavelength?
क्यों नहीं? मेरे को ये खत्म करना है ये वाला। क्यों तुम्हारे एग्जाम में आ रहा है क्या सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी?
Yeah, so we already finished the
Like
chapter.
PD2. Yeah. Thus, we have like some tests on it.
When it is?
Friday or something. No, next Friday.
So we have tests every Wednesday. I think the science one is next week Wednesday.
And it is coming.
So like
Yeah, it's coming.
Okay.
yeah, whereas this is the last chapter. It's like we'll do it in like November or something.
नहीं नवंबर नहीं, ये तो मतलब जैसे कि अभी
This is our first
आज
chapter.
मंडे है ना, तो इस वीक के तीनों मैं फिजिक्स ही लूंगा, तो तीनों साइंस वाले हैं, तो ये खत्म हो जाएगा ना चैप्टर, फिर 2 और क्लास।
No, not this chapter. So like in school, we'll do this as the last chapter.
Oh, okay.
Like it'll be in the second semester. We won't do it before October. So
Yeah, same.
So they're removing 30% syllabus. They're gonna remove those cheap R environment chapters and all.
Okay.
That's so peace. Those
I'm
chapters
so
are so
glad that's good.
boring.
10th में हो तुम सीबीएसई में, तो शर्म करो यार,
removing
सीरियसली तो
sources of
शर्म।
energy.
10th के सीबीएसई में हो तुम, तो आईसीएसई में भी नहीं हो और 11th में भी नहीं हो, फिर भी रो रहे हो कि चैप्टर्स कम हो रहे हो, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है।
Yeah, sir, obviously.
ठीक है,
Wait, what are they removing?
30% syllabus.
30
Like they'll
courses,
remove
that's
natural
approximately
resource
4
and
and a
all.
half.
Yeah, stuff like that.
Yeah.
Yes.
Please.
Okay.
I hate those
That's why they're
chapters.
gonna
Sir, I had a
Training,
doubt in this
hate
question.
those.
किस क्वेश्चन में?
Quiz.
कौन सा?
So this absolute refractive index of
Medium is NSC by V.
Absolute refractive index of any medium is always less than 1, greater than 1, 1 or 0.
It's
Oh,
greater
yeah,
than
it's
1.
always
Yeah, but it
greater
can be
than
1 also. So
Wait, so why?
If it's one, then
Very
there is no
it can be
refraction.
both.
Anything the whole class.
It can be both.
Absolute
one-
refractive index of medium is greater than 1.
Sir, is
Sir, but you
is
said you just
one-
wrote it was it can be greater or equal to 1.
अरे अच्छा, वो तो हाँ, मतलब
But
अगर
if it's equal to 1, there won't be any refraction.
अरे रुको यार, अगर मैं वैक्यूम की ही बात करने लगूं तो उसका रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स 1 हो जाएगा ना,
Yeah.
तो इसीलिए मैंने बोला रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ मीडियम इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 1.
Okay.
so is that correct what you said?
Yeah, what I said was correct. Am I ever wrong?
But then one is not the
कहाँ लिखा है? एक मिनट, कौन सा क्वेश्चन? तुम इसी में बोल रहे हो ना?
So for me it's
Yeah,
question
yeah,
2.
in the quiz.
Yeah, in the quiz.
I got that wrong and I got that correct.
अच्छा, इसको चेक कर लो, इसको करेक्ट कर लो. Greater than or equal to 1. हाँ.
So, but then if the refractive index is 1, there is no refraction.
There is no refraction. Yes.
So
the
why
light
is
doesn't
it called refractive index then?
Why is it called refractive index? See, if there is no deviation, delta is 0, you can say that is 0 refraction. We are discussing on the concept of 0. I mean, if you give me 0, nothing, so can I say you have given me 0 money or not? Right?
Yeah.
वही बात है. तो greater than वो 1 होता है. मतलब if I ask what is the refractive index of vacuum, तुम आंसर 1 बोलोगे ना?
Yeah.
Any medium में vacuum आता है ना?
Yeah.
1 greater than equal to 1. ठीक है? Okay.
So, but that option wasn't there.
वे तो greater than 1 मार्क करते हैं ना इसमें.
So 1 भी तो मार्क कर सकते हैं, no sir.
1 क्यों मार्क करोगे? Is always 1. ये क्या है? ये तो गलत है. इसमें कुछ नहीं. इसमें of course सबको पता है greater than 1 है.
But 1 not
आर्ग्यू मत
greater
करो.
than
ये
1.
मून नहीं चल रहा है कि एकदम illogical argument की दिए जा रहे हैं और बस argument
On Earth, it can't be 1 because
Earth it can't be 1. नहीं, Earth में vacuum नहीं produce कर सकते हैं क्या हम लोग?
कर सकते हैं, but then it's mostly more than 1, so you'll select which is more.
मतलब आंसर बी है, ठीक है, आंसर कीर्तन वन है। इनको लग रहा है सब ठीक है। ऐसे एक और है, रे हिट्स अ प्लेन सरफेस 20 डिग्रीज, व्हाट इज द एंगल? ये क्या बकवास क्वेश्चन, ये 10th इज रॉन्ग। A light ray hits a plane surface at
I
20
didn't
degrees,
get
what is the
that
angle?
one.
आई गलत है। Incident and reflected,
It's
oh
40.
this is,
It should be.
It's law of reflection.
So shouldn't it be 140?
It's 40. No, it's only 40.
अबे
But
incident
then
और
How
it's
can it be
reflected,
40? I don't understand.
अरे वो देखो
no,
अरे
it's
यार,
I selected 40, but I don't think it's 40 because when it says it hits the plane, then it's the angle between the plane and the ray. So it's
yeah, so see,
20 to 70.
so I'll tell you the concept. सुनो, concept ये है कि बेटा अगर ऐसे reflected ray होती है, ये 20 डिग्री है, तो ये reflected
we
ऐसे
can't
जाती
see
है।
a screen.
So
I can't
I
see your screen.
can't see your screen.
So see, this is 20 and this is 20 degree, okay? So this is 20 degree. So incident ray and reflected ray के बीच में angle, so ये angle 40 degree नहीं है, इस केस में 40 नहीं, ये angle है 180 minus 40 which is 140 degree, okay? ये angle होता है।
Yeah.
तो actually वो डायग्राम में ऐसा बोल रहा है, वो 20 से ऐसे आई थी,
Yeah.
तो वैसे
I
जाएगी 20 से।
selected. Was there an
Therefore-
option of 140?
I didn't even
No.
have the
No,
time
no,
to
there
like
was
draw
no
all this in
option.
my head.
ये है,
I
ये
just
है। So
immediately
that's why,
clicked.
this is why the answer is 40, okay?
So how? Wait, what?
अभी देखो अगर 20 से ऐसे
But how
आएगी,
can you
ये 20 से
choose
ऐसे
that
आएगी,
angle?
तो 20 से ऐसे जाएगी।
So why can you take any random? You have to
No,
take
it's
it
not
from
any
the
angle.
normal,
They have
right?
said it. They have said it hits the plane at an angle of 20 degrees. They haven't said the angle is between the normal and the incident ray.
Oh, but it can. Oh, yeah. Okay, please.
So 20
But
degrees
so
this, 20
even in the
degrees.
first case will be 40 only, no?
नहीं ये एंगल एज ए रे, एंगल
Oh,
बिटवीन
that
रेज
is
होता
too
है। रे
confusing.
पता है, रे 5th क्लास का, रे एंड लाइन, सेगमेंट एंड लाइन,
Yeah,
एंगल बिटवीन रे होता है। रे
yeah.
ये है, इसमें इस केस में रे ऐसी है।
So it'll be 20 plus 20, 40.
अबे रे ये है और ये रे है, ठीक है?
Yeah.
तो ये रे के, ये एंगल नहीं है रे के बीच में, रे को एक्सटेंड करना पड़ेगा,
Oh.
तब एंगल निकलेगा। एंगल बिटवीन टू रेज में दोनों का स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट सेम करते हैं ना। फिफ्थ किस क्लास में था ज्योमेट्री? ये 5th क्लास में था कि 4th क्लास में था? ठीक है,
I forgot.
ओके, कूल।
Oh wait, why is it 40?
इस केस में देखो ये ऐसे आ रहा है, फिर ऐसे जा रहा है, तो दिस इज द एंगल यू वांट, दैट इज आंसर इज 40, ओके? ओके, बाय गाइस। एनी अदर क्वेश्चन? मुझे जाना है अब।
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
So
Bye.
So
Okay, there
send the
is
recording.
a PTM on this weekend. I will mail everyone.
PDF.
Yeah, bye. Right now, bye. I'll tell tomorrow. Explain tomorrow.
So can you send the recording?
Yeah. Bye.
Okay, so bye.